Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Althea Hurst, your real estate girl, where I'm talking about all things real estate, whether you're buying a house, selling a house, or if you're a realtor just looking for some good gems and help in order to help increase your business. I am your girl. Today I'm talking to my home sellers, and I want to talk to you all about what fees are associated with selling your home. I think that this is a very great topic, and also if you all have something that you want me to touch on or talk about, make sure you comment or even submit it and let me know, and I'll be sure to make sure I make a video on it for you. But when I'm speaking with my sellers, they always are like, hey, how much is it going to cost me to sell a home? I've never done this before. What fees are included? Do I have to pay as much as I did when I purchased the property? And all of the great things, okay? So let's go down the list. And I'm going to make this short, but I'm going to explain as much as I can. One of your first fees that you have when it's time for you to sell your home is what we call your title and settlement fee. Now, this fee is charged by the title company. It's not charged by a lender. It is not charged by a broker. It is not charged by an agent. This is charged by the title company. Here in the state of Maryland, I can't speak for every state, but in most places, the buyer has the right to select their own title company, okay? So most times, you will be subject to that buyer's title company fees, all right? However, if you feel like the fees are a little bit too much, understand that also in some states, you have the right to do what we call a split closing. That means that you use your own title company and the buyer uses their own title company. I know that really wasn't supposed to be a part of the video, but I gave y'all that extra tip, okay? So the title company will charge you what we call your title and settlement fees, your closing fees, your deed prep fees, and also your track and release fees. Those are the title fees, okay? Next, we have what we call your recording and transfer fee. Now, it's specifically in our state, recording and transfer fees are split 50-50. So this is also one of the most expensive fees that you will see as a home seller, depending upon where your property is located, which your property taxes are, all of those great things. Depends upon how much it can be. Now, I would say guesstimate somewhere. If it's $6,000, then you take 3, the buyer takes 3. If it's $12,000, you take 6, the buyer takes 6, okay? So that's what I mean when I say split 50-50, all right? From there, you have your loan payoff. So if you have any outstanding liens attached to this property, whether it's your first mortgage, your second mortgage, down payment assistance, tax lien, mechanical lien, HOA lien, any kind of lien that you may have attached to this property will also come out of your proceeds. So that has to be accounted for as well, okay? Then we're moving down to broker commission. This is how much the listing agent is charging you in order to list your property, all right? From then, we have what we call your prorated property tax. At what time of year are you selling? If you are selling your property sometimes at the end of the year, most times you actually get money back because you've already footed the bill for the entire year of property taxes. So at closing, the buyer actually has to refund you. And then lastly, if your home has a what we call a planned unit developer or planned unit writer, or also known as HOA, if your community has that, then guess what? You also have to pay your HOA transfer fees, okay? Now, the HOA transfer fees, the price of that is really truly dependent upon your association because each association makes their own price. However, on average, it's around about $250 for the resale package and then another $250 for the name transfer, okay? So those are all of your fees associated with selling your property in order to get you to the closing table. I hope that this video was very informative for you guys. If you have any questions, be sure to comment below, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya!